My name is Ashley Cox and I'm the Chief Operating Officer for Nextcore. Nextcore is an Australian-based company that have designed and built our own UAV LiDAR payload, designed to fit on the DJI M600. Our LiDAR payload allows us to operate our DJI M600 for around 23 minutes of flight time. So at 50 metres height, which is our recommended altitude, we can scan up to 50 hectares. The key focus in developing Nextcore was to allow our users to quickly and easily create a LAS file. We have a very simple workflow. So upon landing, all we need to do is to remove a thumb drive from the unit, and within an hour of landing, we can have a clean LAS file ready to deliver to clients. The accuracy of our unit is 5 centimetres. We use a quantity laser scanner, which gets 3 returns for each of the 8 lasers that operate within it. This allows our unit to get excellent ground penetration. It's a key focus in designing our unit. We've designed it to use in heavily vegetated areas where you might need to survey or understand what's happening at ground level. You can also use our unit for a range of other surveying uses, and often our clients will come from mining, timber plantations, surveying, a whole range of different areas where our unit's being implemented. Really important aspect of our unit is that it's affordable. We've designed it to be affordable for customers who are growing their drone fleet and need to be able to produce data in heavily vegetated areas.